In our quest to understand the mysteries of the universe, we often forget that communication is not just about words, it's about resonance, about vibration. To speak to the universe, we must learn its language, and this language is not spoken, it is felt. It is a language of energy, of intention, and of the heart. Let us begin by understanding the first lesson. The universe communicates through vibrations. Everything in existence vibrates at a certain frequency, and these frequencies are the alphabet of the universe's language. When we wish to send a message into the cosmos, we must align our own vibrations with that of the universe. Consider the emotions we feel every day. Love, joy, and gratitude are high-frequency vibrations. They lift us up and bring us closer to the vibrational state of the universe. On the other hand, anger, fear, and jealousy are low-frequency vibrations that can disconnect us from the cosmic conversation. To communicate with the universe effectively, we must first elevate our vibration. This begins with the cultivation of positive emotions. We can do this through various practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and acts of kindness. By fostering these high vibrational states within ourselves, we become beacons of light, sending clear signals into the universe. Furthermore, we must realize that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape our reality. The universe responds not just to our casual wishes, but to the beliefs we hold deep within our subconscious. These core beliefs are the foundation of our vibrational signature. To change our conversation with the universe, we must first rewrite the deeply ingrained beliefs that limit our potential. Now, how can we alter these foundational beliefs? It begins with self-reflection. We must examine our patterns, the recurring themes in our lives, and trace them back to their roots. Are we constantly struggling with scarcity? It might be a deeply embedded belief in lack that is emitting a low-frequency vibration to the universe. The practical step here is to adopt an attitude of abundance. Start by acknowledging the abundance that already exists in our lives. It could be something as simple as the air we breathe or the abundance of stars in the night sky. By acknowledging and appreciating these, we start to shift our focus from scarcity to abundance, and this shift is a powerful message to the universe. As we continue this journey, let us consider the power of silence. In silence, we can hear the subtle frequencies of the universe. We often neglect the importance of listening in the process of communication. To truly understand the language of the universe, we must become excellent listeners. Silence is the canvas upon which the whispers of the universe are painted. It is in the quiet moments that we can receive guidance, inspiration, and wisdom. We must also be mindful of the words we speak, for they carry vibrations into the world around us. Words spoken with intention and clarity have the power to manifest reality. When we speak, we must do so with the full awareness that we are casting vibrations into the web of existence. Therefore, choose words that reflect your highest intentions. To end this first part, let us reflect on gratitude, a powerful vibration that resonates deeply with the universe. When we express gratitude, we align ourselves with the flow of abundance and well-being. The universe responds to this vibration by reflecting back to us more of what we are grateful for, harmonizing with the cosmic symphony. In the second lesson, we explore the concept of synchronicity. Synchronicity is the universe's way of sending us messages, guiding us through coincidences and serendipitous events. It is a subtle, yet profound language that speaks directly to the soul. To become fluent in this aspect of the universe's language, we must attune ourselves to the rhythm of these cosmic winks. The universe is akin to a grand orchestra, and each event, person, and thought is an instrument in this cosmic symphony. When we experience synchronicities, it is as if the universe is orchestrating a harmony that resonates with our personal journey. To engage in this dance with the universe, we must become aware and attentive to the patterns and repetitions that occur in our lives. For instance, have you ever thought of someone only to receive a call from them moments later? Or have you ever stumbled upon a book or a quote that speaks directly to a situation you are facing? These are not mere coincidences. They are synchronicities. They are the universe's way of saying that you are in the flow, that you are moving in harmony with the great cosmic dance. To increase the occurrence of synchronicities in our lives, we must open our hearts to the possibility of the extraordinary. We must live with a sense of wonder and expectation that the universe is constantly conversing with us. It requires a delicate balance between intention and surrender. Set your intentions clearly, then let go and allow the universe to choreograph the next steps. Synchronicities often guide us towards our highest good, but it's important to cultivate discernment. Not every coincidence holds deep significance, and it is through a quiet mind and an open heart that we can discern which synchronicities to follow. Another way the universe communicates with us is through the mirror of our relationships. People come into our lives as reflections of ourselves, showing us what we need to see. They can mirror our strengths and our shadows, giving us the opportunity to grow and evolve. When we encounter conflict or challenges in relationships, it's an opportunity to look within and understand the lessons the universe is guiding us to learn. We must ask ourselves, what patterns are being reflected back to us in our interactions with others? Are we consistently encountering the same issues? This is the universe's way of drawing our attention to areas within our own lives that require transformation. Moving beyond relationships, nature itself is a language through which the universe speaks. The cyclical patterns of the seasons, the growth and decay of life, the ebb and flow of tides, all these natural phenomena carry messages for us. By observing nature, we align ourselves with the rhythm of the universe and its inherent wisdom. Practical advice for harmonizing with nature's cycles includes spending time outdoors, observing the subtleties of the natural world, and reflecting on how these patterns relate to the cycles in our own lives. As we align with nature, we align with the universe, and our communication becomes more profound and insightful. In this part, we have explored synchronicity, relationships, and nature as mediums through which the universe communicates with us. Each of these holds valuable lessons and insights that guide us on our path. The labyrinth of intuition. In the serene sanctuary of our third lesson, we venture into the enigmatic domain of intuition, the gentle murmur of the universe within us all. Intuition serves as our innermost guide, a beacon illuminating the intricate passages of life's manifold choices and challenges. It whispers truths in a language older than words, a voice suffused with the wisdom of the cosmos, yet all too frequently smothered by the babble of our analytical minds. To truly tap into the wellspring of intuition, we must refine our ability to perceive its delicate promptings amidst the cacophony of our daily cogitations. Intuition communicates through a lexicon of emotions, physical sensations, and flashes of clarity. This communication demands from us a profound trust in our inner knowing and the audacity to heed its counsel, even as it steers us into realms uncharted and obscure. A tangible approach to bolster our intuitive prowess involves carving out oases of silence and tranquility within our bustling lives. In the embrace of quietude, our intuition's voice grows more discernible. It is akin to fine-tuning a radio dial. Only by muting the interference can we discern the clear signal amidst the static. To nurture this connection, it is essential to pose questions to the universe and then relinquish the impulse for immediate resolution. Intuition does not heed the summons at our convenience. It unveils itself at moments ordained by a wisdom greater than our own, frequently catching us unawares. Such revelations call for patience and an acknowledgement that the universe's schedule is impeccable, despite how it may diverge from our personal expectations. Consider the most recent instance when you experienced an unexplainable hunch. Did you honor this internal compass? What ensued as a result? Recollections of following our gut feelings serve as tangible endorsements from the universe, affirmations that we are entwined with an entity far vaster than our solitary existence. These experiences are the threads that weave the fabric of our relationship with the universe. Intuition is the stitch that binds our material reality to the ethereal tapestry of the cosmos. It is the silent dialogue between our essence and the universal consciousness, a dialogue that shapes our journey and informs our decisions. In the dance of life, intuition is our partner, leading with gentle pressure on the small of our back, guiding us through the steps. It is a partner that does not lead with flashy movements but with assured, subtle motions. To dance well, we must not only hear the music but also feel it, allowing the rhythm to move through us and inform our movements. Intuition is a muscle that strengthens with use. The more we tune in and respond to its signals, the more attuned we become to its frequency. Like any skill, it requires practice and dedication. Start small with the inconsequential decisions and notice how it feels to trust your intuition. Does the decision feel right? Does it bring a sense of peace or certainty? These feelings are the compass needles pointing toward true north, our authentic path. As we journey through life, let us embrace intuition as our ally, a guide granted to us by the universe to navigate the complex matrix of existence. It is a gift that brings us into alignment with our true purpose and connects us with the universal intelligence that orchestrates all of creation. By cultivating a relationship with our intuition, we open ourselves to a more synchronistic life, where chance encounters and serendipitous events seem to guide us toward our highest good. We begin to perceive the world not as a series of random occurrences, but as a tapestry woven with intention and meaning. So, as we continue to explore the depths of our being, let us honor the voice of intuition, the universe's whisper within us. May we have the courage to listen, the wisdom to discern its messages, and the faith to follow where it leads. In doing so, we become co-creators with the universe, painting the canvas of our lives with bold strokes of trust and the vibrant colors of our soul's true desires. The Symphony of Co-Creation. The Symphony of Co-Creation is a grand composition, a dance of will and cosmos that requires both conductor and orchestra to be in perfect union. We, as individuals, are far more than passive observers in this vast universe. We are the composers and musicians of our own lives, actively shaping our destinies with every note we play. To become maestros of this symphony, we must embrace the delicate interplay of intention and release. Setting intentions is akin to drafting the initial score of a symphony, each note representing a clear vision of what we aspire to create. Our intentions are the seeds we plant, imbued with our wishes and hopes for the future. But the process does not end with the planting. These seeds of intention require nurturing, nurtured by our actions, nourished by positive thoughts, and watered with belief in their potential. Yet, to witness the full blossoming of our intentions, we must relinquish our hold on the outcome. Just as a composer must trust the musicians to interpret the score, we must trust the universe to embellish our intentions with its own creative flair. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, may unfurl plans beyond our imagining, often more wondrous than our most vivid dreams. Opening ourselves to the unexpected is an act of faith in the universal symphony. It is an acceptance that our path may not be a straight line but a journey of twists and turns, challenges that serve as disguised opportunities. To navigate this journey with grace, one must trust that each step, whether forward or sideward, is part of a grander choreography, each movement designed to lead us toward our true potential. Visualization serves as our conductor's baton, directing the energy of the universe. By vividly picturing our desired outcome, we resonate at a frequency that attracts the substance needed to materialize our aspirations. Our visualizations are broad strokes, bold and daring, which the universe refines with precision and detail. Gratitude is the melody that harmonizes with prosperity. An expression of appreciation for the present moment is to acknowledge our role in the cosmic performance. It's an affirmation that we are in tune with the creative energies of the universe, and in doing so, we invite an encore of abundance. As we draw the curtain on this series, reflect upon the wisdom we have unearthed, the vibrational language, the meaningful coincidences of synchronicity, the intuitive whispers, and the grand ensemble of co-creation. These are the instruments through which we engage in profound dialogue with the cosmos. Moving forward, integrate these insights into your daily life. How will you converse with the universe? How will you weave your intentions with the universal tapestry? The conversation is not one-sided. It is an exchange, a duet with the cosmos. Our structured exploration has reached its crescendo, but the symphony continues. The universe extends an invitation, its anticipation palpable. Are you prepared to accept this invitation, to join the symphony of co-creation and to compose a life in harmony with the cosmos? Embark on this journey of co-creation, where your intentions and the universe's plan perform a duet that resounds through eternity.